Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this math problem that tricks everyone. Yes, you heard it right. Because 2 plus 1 as 3 and 3 times 3 as 9 and 8 divided by 9. People write it like 8 by 9 and think that it's the correct answer. But no, it's the incorrect answer. Yes, you heard it right. Then you have multiple operations given in a single expression, then you have to follow order of operation or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So first solve the bracket, the parenthesis, so it gives 3. Now if there is no sign, then put the multiplication sign. So what people do mistake in this step, they do the multiplication first and then division, but we know that multiplication and division have same priority, but always solve it from left to right. So it's 8 divided by 3 multiply 3. So we can cancel out the 3 with 3. So what is the correct answer? 8, not 8 by 9. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.